Hello and welcome. You are now looking at a one-page website with language that is customized for the site. Now, if you found that you wanted to customize the site, you wanted to add language, or you wanted to do something different with the images, you would have to know how to use the programming language HTML. Now, obviously, you can take a great deal of time learning and understanding how to use HTML to program an entire site. However, if you know a few basic tools, you will be able to edit this page and add the things that you want to see, as well as take out the things that you don't want to see. And in this course, we'll explore that very mindset. What do you need to know in order to edit or add to this page without being overwhelmed with the overall content of what it would take to learn HTML? So we'll walk through the basic commands that you need to know in order to insert different elements to a page to change the appearance. In some cases, we'll even change the functionality of the entire site. So the goal of the course is for you to confidently make changes in order to change the nature of the site without having to use the what you see is what you get editor. So we'll work not only with text, but we'll work with images as well as commands that'll keep navigating the page very easy to do. We'll also see to it that you know what the files mean as well as what the language means, so you'll be able to look at your server and know exactly what you have there, as well as what you can do to make changes. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you in the first video.